Good morning, class.
Good morning.
Are you good?
Yes.
I'm also good. Jambo ilikuwa mingi. So let's start. Are you good?
Yes.
I think everyone is new to us. Could you just introduce yourself?
Okay. Good morning.
Good morning.
My name is Alex.
Elvin?
Alex.
My name is Dawn.
Wow, Jerry.
I'm a foreigner.
You are my foreign man.
I'm Jeremiah Monday.
Jeremiah?
Monday.
Wow. So I'm happy to meet you guys. I'll be taking with the visual basic, and I know you guys will like about learning about visual basic. Visual basic is a very interesting programming language, and I will take you with them.
Okay, sorry sir.
Okay.
Not introduce yourself.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm Mr. Ghost Balmanas, and I'll be taking you to Visual Basic. If you don't remember that name, I will help you to record it. I will be taking you with Visual Basic data types, and our learning outcomes, the things that we need to cover by the end of the session. We'll be covering about different data types. What is a data type? So we define what is a data type in me. We take the common data types. And then we'll have an example of how to declare the database. So, when I talk of data types, have you? I think you guys have gone to library. You have been to library. Maybe you have interacted with the library in one way or the other. Maybe you went for private studies, discussions, and maybe you have seen the activities that take place there. So imagine you are organizing a school library. You need to store books, student IDs, and issue dates. You do not store numbers in a bookshelf or a date in a box for ID cards, right? Is it right?
Yes.
Similarly, in programming, we use different data types to store different kinds of information. I think every one of you has a phone. In that your phone, you have organized, your storage is organized in form of folders that you store different kind of data. That is what in programming we call it data type. So we'll first start with what is, we understand what is a data type. So let us define what is a data type. By this of Anand, what do you think data type is? Based on the scenario of our reference. What is the data type? Yes, Mr. Elvis. What is the data type?
I think it's categories of which things are classified.
Categories in which things are classified. with a different opinion about what's the data type? Yes,
Data
okay.
type specifying the type of
We specify the type
specify
of
the kind of a variable
variable.
and store.
Uh,
Specify the type of data.
sorry, the type of
Specify
data.
the type of data variable
A variable.
and store.
A variable control. So these are the definitions from Elvis and Doreen about what is a template. Can we give them two articles? Okay, thank you. So another is we can say is categories in which things are classified, the way you store things or an image, or you can say is the type they specify the type of data a variable can store. So that is the definition of a data type. So we are done with the definition. Then we have common data types. So I will guide you on the common data types that we have in Visual Basic. So the first one is integer. We have an integer. We have a string. We have a double. We have date. And the next one is the last one is unit. So these are the common data types that you will find in Visual Basic. The integer is used to store values that are all numbers. The string is used to store text. Double is used to store decimal numbers, decimal values. And then the date is used to store date and time. Then we have green is used to store true or false, or yes or no. Things that require response, they are stored in green. Those ones that require date or time, maybe you want to include a date or time in your program, so you will use date data type. If you want to include the decimal places in your program, you use double. If you have a text or a single character, you will use a string. And if you are using, if you have multiple text, you use double quote between the text. If we have a single character, use a single quote. Is it clear?
Yes.
So we are done with the common data types. We will be interacting with this. I will give you examples of our program, and you will understand this concept better. Then the next thing is an example of how to declare the data types. To declare means to create a variable that will store this data type. So I will give you an example of how we declare. Time. So I will give you an assignment. You go and research about how to declare a variable. How to declare a variable. This is an assignment. How to declare Number one, we have an integer. We have